Do you copy data from multiple sheets into one summary manually? In Excel, you can combine all sheets instantly using the Consolidate feature. Go to Data, select Consolidate. In that function, select Sum or which function you require. You can choose that. In the reference, select the cells S2B, Consolidate. Go to Q1 and select the range of cells. Click Add. Go to Q2. Click Add. Go to Q3. Add. So in the respective sheets, the cells, the reference will be selected automatically. Just we can add Q4, add. When data has row or column headings, to match them automatically, you have to select top row and left column. If you enable this, Excel automatically aligns the data as per the heading. When change is done in the reference cells, the summary also should update automatically. For this, we have to enable create links to source data. Click OK. Now press Alt, select format design as required. We click the plus symbol. You can change the data to Q1 to Q3, Q4. We'll do some changes. It will be reflected in the summary sheet also. I'm updating the Q1. Automatically updated. I will do in the Q3. Either in the total also as well as in the respective quarter also, the changes happened automatically. If you want to learn more smart Excel tricks like this, subscribe for more Excel automation tips.